Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome back in my channel Shivam classes. Okay, so today's topic is definite integrals. Okay, here we will deal with the definite integrals, or we can say that the question based on the integration with the limits. Okay, so here two types of limits are given. First one is upper limit and second one is lower limit. Okay, now see what is the first question and how we will represent the definite integral. See the question. The first question is integration 0 to 1 2x cube, integration 0 to 1 2x cube plus 3x square dx. Okay, so this is your first question. Okay, now separate it. You can write this equation as 0 to 1 integration 0 to 1 2x cube dx. Okay, this is done. Now a plus sign here. Next is 3 is constant here. Okay, so this is equal to 3 integration 0 to 1 upon x square dx. Okay, now see in the list next line, this 2 is also constant. Okay, so take it outside. Now integration 0 to 1 x cube dx plus 3, and what is this 1 upon x square is equal to x raised to power minus 2. Okay, you will take a inverse of x raised to power 2. Okay, take inverse. So this is equal to 0 to 1 x raised to power minus 2 dx. Okay, now see in the next line. Now these equations are look like x raised to power n. Okay, and what will be the integration of x raised to power n? The integration of x raised to power n is equal to x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Okay, so see in the next line, x raised to power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. Okay, what is the limit here? 0 to 1 plus 3, and this is equal to x raised to power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1, and what is the limit here? 0 to 1. Okay, now see in the next line, 3 plus 1 means 4. Okay, and minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Okay, now see the next line. So this is equal to 2 by 4 x raised to power 4 with the limit 0 to 1 minus 3 x raised to power minus 1 with the limit 0 to 1. Okay, now you can write x raised to power minus 1 is 1 by x. Okay, the simple method of mathematics. So this is 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 x raised to power 4 with the limit 0 to 1 minus 3 1 by x with the limit 0 to 1. Okay, now you will apply the rule or the method of the definite integral, upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, so this is your upper limit, this one is your upper limit, this 0 is your lower limit. Okay, this is 0, and here this 1 is your upper limit and this 0 is your lower limit. Okay, so in the place of x we will put the limit. Okay, where we will put these two limits? In the place of x only. Okay, now put it. So 1 by 2, if you put 1 in the place of x, okay, upper limit minus lower limit you will apply. Okay, so if you put this 1 in the place of x, then you will get 1 raised to power 4 is equal to 1 only, minus if you put this 0 in the place of x, then you will get 0. Okay, minus 3. What about this 1 by 1? 1 by 1 is equal to 1 only, minus 0. Okay, so 1 by 2 into 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Minus 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So your equation is like 1 by 2 minus 3. And what is the solution of 1 by 2 minus 3? Minus 5 by 2. Okay, so this is the solution of your first question. Now we will see the second question of definite integral. So now see the second question related to the definite integral. Okay, integration 0 to pi by 2 x sec square x dx. Okay, what is your question? Integration 0 to 4 by 2 pi by 2 sec square x dx. Okay, now tell me what do you mean by pi by 4? Okay, pi means what? Pi means 180 degree. Okay, and pi by 4 means 180 by 4, and what is the value of 180 by 4? 45 degree. Okay, so this is nothing but 0 to 45 degree. Your upper limit is pi by 4 and your lower limit is 0. Okay, so and what is the integration of sec square x? The integration of sec square x is 10x with the limit 0 to pi by 4, where pi by 4 is your upper limit and 0 is your lower limit. Okay, now put by applying the rule upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, and where you will put the limit? In the place of x only. Okay, so your first term is like, when you put the upper limit, then if in the place of x, then your first term is 10 pi by 4. Okay, in the place of x only you will put pi by 4. Okay, so your first term is 10 pi by 4 minus your lower limit is 0. Okay, so this is 10 0 degree. Okay, so 10 pi by 4 means 1045 minus 10 0. Now you will tell me that what is the value of 1045 degree minus what is the value of 10 0 degree. Okay, so now this is up to you. You will solve these question. Okay, and can write the answer in the comment box also. Now see the next question related to the integration. Okay, so this is your question. Your question is limit integration with the limit 0 to 2x square plus 1 dx. Okay, so what is your first work? To separate these two functions. Okay, now separate it. So it is equal to 0 to 2x square dx plus 0 to 2 1 dx. Okay, now what is the value of x square? X cube by 3. The integration of x square is x cube by 3. X raised to power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 means x cube by 3 with the limit 0 to 2. Over here, what is the integration of dx or 1 dx? X. Okay, you can see the formulas also. The integration of x dx or 1 dx is equal to x only. Okay, with the limit 0 to 2. Now you will put the upper limit minus lower limit rule. Okay, so where you will put this limit? In the place of x only. Okay, so your first term is like 2 cube by 3 minus 0. Okay, if you put this 0 here, then it will be 0 plus put upper limit, that this 2 in the place of x. So this is equal to 2 minus 0. Okay, now 2 cube means 8 by 3. Okay, and ignore this 0 plus this is what? 2. So 8 by 3 plus 2 is equal to 8 plus 6 divided by 3. Okay, 3 2 is 6. So 8 plus 6 divided by 3, and 8 plus 6 is what? 14 by 3, your final answer. Okay, now we will see the next question. So here we are ready with our next question of integration. Okay, integration 0 to 5 5x square, integration 0 to 5 5x square minus 8x plus 5 dx. Okay, now first you have to separate all these three functions. So this is equal to 0 to 5 5x square minus 0 to 5 8x plus 0 to 5 5 dx. Okay, so now take the constant outside. So this is equal to 5 0 to 5 x square. Why we will take 5 here? Because 5 is a constant. Minus similarly 8 is a constant. Okay, so we will take it outside. 0 to 5 x dx. Okay, we will only integrate the x, the function with x. Okay, plus 5 integration 0 to 5 dx. Now integrate all these three. What is the integration of x square? Obviously it is x cube by 3. What is the integration of x? X square by 2. X means what? X raised to power 1. Then if you apply the formula in this, then it is equal to x raised to power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1. So the integration of x is equal to x square by 2. Okay, what will be the integration of dx? X with the limit 0 to 5. Okay, now see the next line. Now put the upper limit minus lower limit. So this is equal to 5 by 3, 5 by 3, 5 cube. Okay, in the place of x you will put the upper limit 5. Okay, minus 0 minus, again it is 5 square minus 0, and this is what? 5 minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, so 5 cube means 125, 5 square means 25, and 5 5 j 25. Okay, now you all will tell me that what will be the answer of this question. Okay, so find the answer, try to find. Now see the next question related to the integration. So this is the next question. Limit 0 to 2 x raised to power 3 by 2 plus 2x plus 3 into dx. Now first you have to separate all these. Okay, so what will be your first function, first term? X raised to power 3 by 2. What is the integration of x raised to power 3 by 2? X raised to power 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 with the limit 0 to 2 plus 2 is constant. What is the integration of x? X square by 2. This 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out with the limit 0 to 2. Now next, what will be the integration of this 3x with the limit 0 to 2. Okay, now this is your homework question. Try to find the answer of this question. So up to here we have completed now for continue with me, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Or in the next class we will deal with our new chapter, unit and measurement. Okay, so after this we will start our new chapter, unit and measurement, which is your chapter 2. Okay, chapter 1 is the physical world, and that is very common and very theoretical chapter. Okay, you can read it by your own. So we will deal with the unit and measurement in the next video. Thank you so much.